Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Perfect price discrimination sounds complex, but we can solve this quickly by looking at how firms capture value from every single buyer in the market. In perfect price discrimination, a firm charges each consumer the maximum price they are willing to pay for every unit. This strategy allows the firm to extract every bit of value. This process converts all consumer surplus into producer surplus. Since the firm captures the entire area under the demand curve, their total revenue and overall economic profit will naturally rise significantly. Furthermore, the firm's marginal revenue curve now matches the demand curve, leading to higher output. That makes option D our final winner. Well done! Option D is correct. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush and trust the given economic steps.